Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to order Rotimatic in Europe, US or Canada. It's same process to order Rotimatic. I'm ordered the Rotimatic here, Copenhagen, Denmark in Europe. So what is the process? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, I will tell you, you can use my referral key if you want purchase Rotimatic. So using my link, you can create your own account. So I can receive $25 and you also receive some of the rewards like a refer and earn. So this is a Rotimatic website. Just today I purchased Rotimatic and now is going on Raksha Bandhan offer. So I save literally $300. If you want purchase this one, you make your own account using my referral link. Link is available on video description. And after that, this is a framework. You just decide here the which currency and which location you want order. Currently I am ordered here in Copenhagen. That's why I select here Danish krona. If you order in other European countries, select euro. So accordingly your country location you select and then simply order. So I just simply select here Danish krona and here get your today. Look at this here, scroll down. So Rotimatic Care Plus, buy now. You want buy the 2 year, so you need to pay again 2,276 Danish krona, but currently they are providing me 3-year warranty, so I just simply say no thanks. And here this is the Rotimatic price here in Denmark, like 11,408 Danish krona. Today I am receiving like 100 krona is off, that's why the price is reduced, and free 2nd-year warranty worth 199 including available plus $100 is off. So around I am saving here $299. It's huge amount. Just simply check out and look at this. I just simply select here. This is a final amount. No, this is not final amount. This is a product amount. Shopping cost not added yet. So I just simply say continue. No thanks. Look at this. Now price is increased like a shopping. If you purchase this product like a 1 to 2-month delivery, you need to pay 982 Danish krona, around 10,000. If you want purchase super fast like 1 to 2 weeks, you need to pay extra 1,500. So I just simply select 1 or 2 week, continue to payment, and we can see here final price of the product, calculate. So look at this here, estimate tax. My final price of this product is a 16,153 Danish krona. So original product price is this 11,000 Danish krona, shopping cost is 1,500 Danish krona, and estimate tax of this product, the tax I'm paying for Danish government, that tax price is like around 35,000 INR, is a huge number. So this is a final price. One more important points come here. If you want purchase this one as a EMI, so you can select here like a split it available for this payment. So you can decide here monthly payment and then continue. If you want order the monthly payment, as a monthly payment point of view, look at this here, 4-month options are available, 3-month options are available, 2-month options are available. If you select like a 4-month option, you need to pay every month $585. It's very simple. You need to put it here your name, full name like this. You need to add here your card number, expiry date, CVV code, and select one of the payment option and agree and pay, and your product is ordered. So I will show you my product I just purchased today. So split. If I go my dashboard here, so look at this, this is my dashboard. I just purchased the product. Total product price is a $2,335, and today I am paying this much amount, and remaining amount I am paying. 4 EMI options I have available. So my final EMI is like a 412.23, the payment completion. You can split entire price as a 4 times and you can pay as a monthly. This is one of the best option to purchase Rotimatic in Europe And if you want purchase right now, currently in this month or next week, so here Raksha Bandhan offer is going on. And one more important point, if you want purchase, so create Rotimatic account using my referral link is available on video description as well as pinned comment. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.